What we're hearing from our patients is that increased worry as they hear reports and stories that our hospitals are in crisis.
Gary Renville with patient advocacy nonprofit Project Access Northwest sees daily how hospitals under strain can make it even tougher for some patients to seek care.
Where are they going to go to access health care? Where do their loved ones go to access health care?
A new survey of hospitals showed a net loss of $929 million for the first quarter of this year.
So we're very reliant on contract labor.
This week, the Washington State Hospital Association said an emergency fund may help some for now, but if the trend continues, some could shutter OBGYN or pediatrics wings or close altogether. Already, they say a lack of acute care space is keeping emergency beds full, driving extra costs and hurting patient well-being.
The whole thing is a mess, and we are feeling the brunt of it by being short-staffed constantly.
Frontline healthcare workers with SEIU 1199 Northwest agree hospitals are under stress.
These issues were already there,
But they say they've been sounding an alarm for years.
people were already burnt out, and so then, of course, when the pandemic hit, people then started being offered wages from travel companies that they couldn't not accept.
They're calling for better pay and safe staffing protections. Renville is hopeful for increased reimbursement from Medicaid and Medicare and workforce development to help retain medical professionals.
And he says that in addition to advocating for those types of things, something else that everyone can do is talk with their neighbors and loved ones. If, for example, somebody has a small medical issue, have them get help for it right away instead of letting that add up and result in a hospital stay. And I should note that the Washington State Hospital Association says that it is doing everything it can to try to help hospitals maintain all of their services and stay open, but they say that the long-term trend could cause major issues. Live in Seattle, Erica Zucco, King 5 News.